Thank you, sir.
That wasn't lovely with the way you brought the fish up. Should one not use one's parking brake now? Wait. You can't hold them drive out there, can you?
No, I was not going.
You was not going?
No.
No, that was not good. So whoever you're going to get this morning, they're really nice.
Oh, thank you.
In the one to pass you, yeah?
Okay, that's all right.
So do you want me to sit in the back of the car?
It's entirely up to you, honestly.
Well, I prefer not to. But,
Okay, if you're not, just don't.
but if you want us to,
No,
I'll sit in.
that's fine. Honestly, you know better. Honestly,
Well, I just.
yeah, I know you mean. Yeah, I got it.
Right.
Yeah, I got same.
But if you want us to sit in the back, I will.
No, you're fine. Honestly, because it's just like mistrust that person, isn't it?
Hmm? And just move your eyes for your middle mirror. They can't get rid of that bad habit, can you? When I first met Khizar, it was like Barney Rubble out of the Flintstones, weren't you?
Yeah.
Wasn't very skillful at all, were you?
No.
Dear me. I thought I was being set up.
Honestly, I feel like you catch me from the field.
Hmm?
I feel like I believe you go to me from the field.
Dear me. Been a lot of hard work to get this one up to standard.
Yes, you did. I appreciate that, all your effort and your sincerity and passion to the other people. Honestly, I appreciate that.
Well, I'll appreciate if you pass first time with you.
I'll try my best. I will try my best.
Oh, Cruiser. You want a lovely, smooth drive with you. Look at that. I want you to relax and just read the road, drive lovely and smooth, and it'll work for you. Yeah?
Okay.
Don't rush things, don't you rag them gears, don't you brake heavy. I want nice, smooth driving, and I want you to read that road. And you cannot go wrong. Don't overthink things.
Okay, yeah. That's the problem. Most of the time I think too much.
It's simple.
Make more trouble for myself.
Yes, you need to keep things simple.
Oh, it's police.
Stop here. Just let them get past. Just do your rolling fast and rise and brake. Just keep it moving. That's it. Now, when that happens on test, I've seen the examiners being really helpful and help you there.
Okay.
But you spotted it nice and early, so well done with that. How many mock tests have we had?
I think 3 or 4.
Well, about 5 or 6, haven't we?
Yeah.
How many have you passed?
3.
What?
Yes.
You haven't passed 3 mock tests.
Honestly, I did.
You only passed 1.
No, past 3, Kenneth. Trust me.
Get out of here. One mock tester says, when it's safe to do so, can you show me how you'd open and close your window? Tell them what you done.
I opened the door.
You opened the door? You opened the door?
Because this is the window.
You opened the door and I said open and close the window? Jesus. Hey, man. You only passed 1.
No, I passed 3 definitely. You told me I passed them. So one pass which that day we have no time when we have like an hour and a half.
Hmm?
You know that day we done an hour and a half.
Yes.
One pass that day, and one pass before, and one pass after.
If you haven't passed 3 tests, I'm bad with them. I remember the passes.
Yeah, one pass first, and after that I had a other one that was a fail, and then we passed next one. So then I passed next one fail, and then passed next one fail, like that. Definitely, I know that.
I don't know. You've been dreaming, you.
Oh, maybe.
3 mock tests, really? So what you're saying is, you said you've only had 4 mock tests, but you passed 3 of them.
No, I think more than 4. More than 4, definitely. I had more than.
You were about 6 and you only passed 1.
Yeah. Okay. No, definitely not 1. More than 1.
brute with these gears. I wouldn't like a backhander off this guy, dear me. But nobody knows, eh?
No, apart from me and you.
Oh dear. What are you gonna tell the missus if you feel?
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Oh.
Whatever happened, I will let her know. Whatever happened, I'll let her know.
Did you not suspect it?
No. She just, because actually I think I said Kenneth put us every single road on mock test, so that's why we're doing the training.
So you tell fibs, eh?
Yes, I did.
Why do you do that for? Can you explain?
Because they're silly sausage like me.
These are all silly sausages because you all do it.
Yeah.
That's a good technique, that keys a good technique. Really like that.
Okay.
Excellent. Love the footwork there. Very skillful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Couldn't do that when I first met you, could you?
No.
Slapping the brakes, chucking clutches up.
I haven't a clue what to do. Like basically, you told me brake is on, like horizon brake, clutch up. So that was
Going right here.
We go right.
Yes, for Durham City Centre. Oh, keys, really? What colour's the light on? Hey? How do you work that out? Stops on a green and goes on a red. Oh, dear me, I'm sweating already.
No.
I like that. Seemed like you're ready to stop me off the change. That was all good. You leave that in second gear again. Dear me, Khizar.
Oh, sorry.
Could have put in the first gear.
And shit.
Shit.
I don't put this in a video.
I feel like shit today if you pass. If you feel, I mean. How are you feeling, Khizar?
Yeah, it's okay, a bit nervous. It's okay, but a bit nervous.
You'll be fine if you read the road and concentrate, yeah?
Yeah.
This is going to be a very rewarding pass if you pass today.
I hope so.
You've turned my pea-sized brain into the size of a pinprick. Yeah? I'm absolutely my head's battered. Are these going in or what? Go on, get yourself in, I'm not waiting for them. Go on. Right, now reverse into the one next to the curb, yeah? Just one here. Stop down the middle. Oh, keys. Right, go over there and just swing it in. Just focus on looking forward. There you go, and then you just get it in. Right, when you're ready. Now going in the far one, yeah?
The last one?
Yes, the last one. No, look all around the car first. Stop staring, just keep looking all around. It's like this, don't turn the wheel till the door handle passes. It's like this because you didn't position the car properly.
Yeah.
That's it. Keep looking all around. Lovely. The wheel comes parallel. Go on straight up now. That's it. Good. Right. You got that? But you know when you come in, Keys, you didn't position properly. That's why it was like that for. Now you know which B you're going to do, don't you?
Yeah.
Which one?
This one, next one.
The one next to the disabled one. Have you got that?
Yeah.
So if you want to do it at the start, you're going to turn left and go right into that corner and back it in next to the yellow one. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Now if he doesn't want you to do that, drive forward and then turn right here. Okay, don't, if you turn straight away, what's going to happen?
Turn right.
If you turn right here straight away now, what's the back of the wheels going to do?
Oh, they mount the curve.
They're going to mount the curb, so I need you to drive forward a bit and then turn the wheel. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Right, have you any questions before we...
Oh, just wish me good luck, that's all.
Well, we're at the test centre with the amazing Keys. He's got my head battered, absolutely battered. Been a good drive. There's only one thing you done wrong, wasn't it? Stop on the green light, but I think you realised. Not putting it into first gear when he stopped, that's a bad sign. But you haven't got any more tricks up your sleeve, have you? You haven't got any more tricks up your sleeve, have you? Anything else that you're thinking of doing crazy?
Not really.
Not really? Well, I'm going to go for a first time pass. What do you say?
I hope so.
You're going to pass?
I hope so.
You hope so?
Finger crossed.
We're going to go for about, I'm going to go for 4 minus today. 4
Okay.
minus, yeah? Be happy with that, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I'm cool. I'm over the moon.
Right, get your license and it's time to go and meet the examiner.
Oh, I just need to go inside.
Yes.
Where I need to go?
You what?
Where I need to go?
Do you see that building there?
Yeah.
That's it there. I'm joking, that's the cafe, yeah? Hang on a minute.
Yeah.
Hang on, just jump out, I'll be out a sec. Keezy, you're my man, yeah?
Okay.
You're my main man today. You're not going to let the team down, are you?
No, I wouldn't.
Come on, Keezer.
I never let the team down.
You what?
I never let the team down.
I hope not. Oh, you're my... Well, we're back off test with my hero, Keezer. Tell him what you've done.
I've made it. I passed it.
How many faults?
Just 4.
What were the 4?
Oh, that was just silly actually, to be honest with you. So one is just asking me to park on the left of the road, so it just little bit touch the curbs.
Hit the curb with me wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah, what else?
And one I was doing the parallel parking.
Normally there's a parallel park.
It's classic.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was just, I don't know, something wrong with our mirror or something today. I definitely doubted about that. So one was, a couple was over there because one was touch the curbs, and when I move off from there, so I look in the mirror instead of on my right shoulder.
Yeah, you didn't go over your shoulder, you got to look all around, you said.
Yeah.
What was the other fault?
Other was the mirror somewhere, he said.
Yeah, it was a mirror fault. I think it's for change of speed. But well done.
Yeah.
What was the driving examiner like?
He was very friendly.
Very nice, isn't he?
Very nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's very friendly.
Well done.
First 4 minutes I was like a little bit nervous, but after that I thought it's okay, whatever I done it, just done it, so I can't do anything, make a change now. So
he was the last one back. I was jumping up and down, pacing up and down the road, wondering where you were at. Oh, Keezer, well done. Oh, all that hard work.
Yes, all the credit goes to you, Kenneth.
I think I deserve a medal for that one. Dear me. He's had my life, this guy. He really has, haven't you? But I will say he's started last couple lessons really good, yeah?
Yeah.
Just tough schoolboy errors, I suppose.
Yeah.
Did you thought you passed when you pulled up?
Yes.
Did you?
Yeah. Because I didn't make any mistake. I didn't.
Did you?
No, I didn't like. I thought I didn't any like serious mistake,
Mhm.
any dangerous road driving or anything like that.
Get in,
Yeah.
Khizar. Oh, what a relief.
Yes. Okay, I take you down to McDonald's or wherever you want for dinner. That's my treat for you.
He keeps trying to buy his McDonald's every driving lesson, don't you?
Yeah.
I come in one day, I had a hole in my coat, and he says, I buy you new coat, sir. I buy you no coat.
Yeah.
I think that was bribery, because he must have thought I wouldn't have come back from after the first lesson.
No, I know.
Remember the first lesson?
Oh, the first lesson was terrible.
He was flying up the roundabouts, couldn't do anything. I thought, whoa, somebody's videoing me here. But he's worked hard, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. It's a good feeling, isn't it?
Honestly, I can't believe that. I feel like I'm living in a dreaming world. You know what? Last night I had a dream
Did you?
about 4 o'clock, half 4 in the morning.
Yeah.
And you came to me and you were laughing and you said, oh, you pass. I would swear down to God.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I was so optimistic after that dream.
Oh, well done. Oh, I'm pleased that one's over with.
Yeah. So I hope you have a nice weekend.
I'll have a lovely weekend now.
Yeah.